you walk the walk, oh you walk the walk.
Mansions to many mansions. The girls in the Aruba doing belly dancing. Spend half of my advancing jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough never just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in today. You guys are all welcome. Today's video is on this look, and if you really like it, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section so that I'll know what you guys think about this video, and don't forget to share to friends and family. So yeah, her hair is natural, so I'll first of all detangle her hair and then roll it all back. I have a video, we'll leave the link in the description box so that you can easily go check it out on how to detangle and roll. Coiling the hair, we'll lay the hair, the front part of the head with got-to-be glue, and then I'll use styling moist to smoothen the hair very well before coiling it. We'll do all of it before coiling the hair. This hair is really old. She can't even remember where she got it from. It's a lace wig, so we'll just place it on her head, then use brush and hand dryer to straighten the hair so that it will look neat. Then I'll use a tonga to create coils in front of the hair, but I'm not going to do much at the back. At the back I'll just use a rubber band to tie into a bund, and then I'll use the hair to cover the rubber band. Then I will just spray the hair. That's when coiling it. After coiling it, I will take it out of the tonga, then spray it with spray gel, then use a pin to hold the coils in place. All of this is called preparing of the hair before styling. You want to make sure you prepare it very neatly, because this will help you get a good finishing. Before applying anything on her face, we'll just use baby wipe to clean up her face in case of any dirt, because you don't want to apply anything on a dirty face. If she is dry skin, we'll only moisturize her face. I won't use primer on her face. For brows, I already have a video on that. We'll leave the link in the description box below so that you guys can go check all of them out. So this is my first time using classic setting powder, and it feels nice, but it's not as good as Sacha Buttercup, but it gets the job done. First eyeshadow I will use is debbyluster, and it's the orange shade. We'll just use that the first transition color on her crease and her outer V. Cut the crease with Tara eyeshadow primer. Then we set the eyeshadow primer with this color from Ever Beauty eyeshadow palette. You guys know that this eyeshadow palette, I've been using it for a very long time, and I just remembered it today. I decided to use a color from it, and I really love the outcome. We also go in with a yellow color on the tear dot. To define the outer V better, we'll just use the brown color from debbyluster, and then after that we'll blend all the colors together, and after that we'll go in with afterglow just to add little glow to her face. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. We'll leave all the details of the product in the description box for you guys to go check them out. First of all, apply the foundation with a small brush, and then go ahead to use the beauty blender to blend it very well. To highlight underneath her eyes, we use Iconic stick foundation and we'll also blend it with a beauty blender. Sorry guys, my camera went off and I didn't take notes at all. I didn't even notice. I don't know, I was carried away. But after highlighting her face, I set the concealer with Sacha Buttercup. I'm just setting the foundation with Tara powder. After that, we'll apply blush just to add little color to her face, and then bronze her face just to give it that glow. I'm just blending the whole look and dusting out the setting powder I applied before. Then we'll just line her lips with Zaron lip liner and then apply classic lip stain. thank you guys so much for watching this video to the end. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do so and on your notifications so that you don't get to miss any new video. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this kind of video so that I'll start uploading looks like this. And yeah, share to your friends, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Oh, you talk to talk. Oh, you talk to talk.